going on, guys? So I have to change my oil today, as you can see. So I ended up just grabbing some Krispy Kreme just to warm up the oil, and I'll show you guys how I changed my oil just now. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll give you all a cold start too. This is all stock here, so just pop these two open. This will make the oil drain out even faster. So this is the oil drain plug right here. You can see it's a 17 millimeter. Just gotta break it first and then slowly take it out. There you go. So we're just gonna let that drain for a little bit. So let's go put this back on. So I'm gonna put this drain plug on, but what you wanna do is first is just give it a wipe, and then always hand tighten it first. And then just get your wrench and then remove your bucket, because you don't want to drop your wrench accidentally into this. Ask me how I know. I've been changing my oil probably like twice a year. I do it, but I always change it in the winter time, just before winter, and then I change it right when it gets like a little warm outside. So you could see it's pretty warm. There's still snow, but you know, it's not as cold today. It's like 15 degrees, I think. So I just loosened it. So I'm just gonna go slowly. It's gonna leak a little bit from over here. It's kind of hard not to make a mess when you do this one. Just don't let it fall, because if it falls, it's gonna splash everywhere. Should almost be out. Oh fuck! Rub it in here. Some people also like to put some oil inside, but I mean, fuck it, man. Who cares? And always just hand tighten this. You never want to tighten this with like a wrench or anything, because then it'll be a bitch to take off. That should be good. I'll drive it around for a little bit. I have to go to Canadian Tire, so I'll bring this oil with me and then top off if I need to. I also have a kind of bad, my power steering keeps leaking, so it's my pump. If you guys, I don't know if you guys had this issue too, but I'm sure you do, because everyone has pretty much the same issues with these cars. But my pump, it keeps leaking, and I don't know if it's dripping. That's why you guys seen on my oil pan, it was a whole bunch of like oil, but I don't think it's actual like oil. I think it's my power steering pump leaking down and making a mess. So I have to do a reseal. So I've already bought all the parts for it. I'm just gonna have to, you know, see when I have time to do it all. Last thing I want to show you guys is resetting the oil light. So just turn your car on. You go to the oil life. You hold the select reset button, and then it'll prompt you. Just hold it down. See? Let go, hold it again. Then you just press select, which is this. You hit OK. And then see, it's at 100%. So before you also take down the car off the jacks or whatever you're using, ramps, just while it's on, you know, you can always just double check and see if there's any leaks. So I don't see anything. Yep, I'm looking, I don't see anything. But sometimes you gotta get under and see, because maybe it's like a little small tiny leak, but we got everything good. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, you can see here, nothing here, and then the drain plug looks good to me. But you know, you gotta drive around and see. You never know. Sometimes there might be a little leak that you might not see. So always just double check. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Just like, subscribe, and share. Turn on post notifications. I wasn't able to post like recently because I ended up breaking my laptop, my MacBook Air. Like I tried changing the bezel on it and I ended up messing up the screen. So, but yeah. So I'll try and keep more videos coming, and I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Honestly, it took longer to like change it with the like camera and everything. If I did it by myself, I could probably do this in like 20 minutes. So not including draining the oil, maybe even less, honestly. But yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. So maintenance over mods once again. But anyways, take care, guys.